Oh, hello, and I'm back. I'm posting a long form video after ages. But today's video is going to be a little interesting because people, those who are planning to buy few essentials and you don't know what to, here we go. I'm just gonna dive straight into it. I was using Chemist at Play lip balm, and basically I've been using for so many months. So right now I thought of changing it, and I changed it into Wish Care Ceramide lip balm, the natural one, and this is really good. If it wouldn't have been good, then I wouldn't have recommended it. But right now this is one of my essentials. Since I do proper skincare, I do use a toner, and let me tell you, for a person who has combination skin during summertime, this is an absolute amazing product. When I had bought this and I started using it, I didn't think of sharing about it because, first of all, it's a Korean product, it's a little expensive. So I thought that since I mostly share affordable items, so I thought of passing this by. But this toner is really so good. It moisturizes the skin so well. Like, after applying a face wash, then your skin tend to get a little dry just before applying the moisturizer. This really kind of, hydrates those dry areas and make your skin really nice. So I thought of sharing this. If you are planning to purchase, you can totally go for this. This is really really nice. People, those who have oily skin, combination, dry, anyone can use this. Another one which I have already spoken about this, but this is really good. I remember sharing about this when it was full. And right now, this much is left. And I'm telling you, after this bottle is over, I'm going to purchase this again because I cannot live without this. So, anyone who's thinking of planning to buy, but you're not sure because there are too many influencers talking about it and you just don't know what is genuine and what is not. If you trust me a little, if you believe me a little, and you're planning to buy this, totally go for it. It's amazing. But the only thing I would say that oily skin people, you can pass it, you don't have to buy this. But if your skin is dry or combination, go for this. It's amazing. It really makes your skin very satin, smooth, soft, mochi like. So yeah. Next, I think most of my makeup, you have always seen me using this. I cannot live without this. This is a very much like a skin tint and a foundation in between. This just makes your skin look like skin, but a little bit better. So go for this. You'll get your shade. Of course, the darkest shades are not available yet, but you can try and check and purchase this. Amazon really sometimes give great deals, so you never have to purchase it with 8.99 or 9.99. You can get it for 300, 400 rupees as well. So go check genuine stuff and buy. It's good. Now, next one, I was really keeping it inside, and again, I was so confused that whether I should share it here or not, because some people would think that, oh, you've got a Mac product and you're showing it off. This is one of the essential. I'm telling you, it's very expensive, but this really goes about a year easily. It was 3,000 rupees. So if you wish, you can buy. Otherwise, you can totally pass it. But let me tell you, the way it completely blurs your skin and just doesn't make it too oily, that's exactly what this does. It doesn't compete to any of the compact powder that I've already used, Lakme and everything. Okay, whatever I can think of, I have used all of those, and let me tell you, this is a top-notch product. So, anytime you're planning to buy any Mac product, you wish to buy Mac Studio Fix is the first thing that you should purchase from them. This one works as equivalent to my fingers so well. So this is one of the Bronson professional brush. You can see it in Nika. You can check it, Bronson foundation brush. You can search like that, and you'll get this pink one. This is so good. Like, I have full set of brushes, but this is the one which I'll go back to quickly do, blend the foundation, or blend the concealer. This does the blending the best. So this is one of the essential. It's not even that expensive, so you can try this. Another one which I would suggest, that if you are planning to purchase a brush and you don't know which one to, the Mars green one, it's too good because whatever you need, it's everything is there. And there are about three eyeshadow brushes, which is, which is for blending, and those are really amazing. Another one is there for doing the eyeliner. Amazing kit. You can totally, this was recommended by one of my friends, so this is an amazing product, so you can totally purchase this one. Okay, now next, you're using a lot of makeup, you're using your brushes, and you're hardly cleaning it. Cleaning a game will become so easy if you purchase something like this. I bought this from Misho. It's really not that expensive. I think 120 rupees or 130 rupees, and this really does the cleaning so easy. It you know it it's easy. So if you need to clean your brushes and you don't know how to clean it easily, this is an essential, basically an essential. So just get it. Now, the next one, I never ever thought that this would be as an essential in my makeup um, kit, or whatever you may say. This is a white liquid concealer. I never imagined in my life that I would love this. But you want to do a subtle eyeshadow look, you want to do glamorous ones, whatever you want to do, just use this as a base, and your eyeshadow is going to look so much better. Like, let me tell you, it doesn't only look great in front of amazing light, but when I'm going outside, um, wherever, my makeup looks so different, because this just makes your eyes look brighter, and it doesn't even look bad. Now let me tell you, people, those who have very dark skin, I don't know exactly whether this would work or not, so you can try and experiment it. But people, those who have fair to medium skin, or medium duskyish, for them this is amazing. What you just need to do, you have to conceal, you have to apply it on your eyelids, wait, let it crease, and then remove the excess and use a compact powder on top of it to mattify, and then you start using your eyeshadow. Oh, this is amazing. Please purchase this. This makes your entire makeup look so different and amazing. It really does. I've done the similar or the same kind of makeup without this and with this, and makeup look with this really made it look wow. So please get it, and it's not even that expensive. This is a company called Kinded, I guess. So yeah, I even have their green one, but I've not really used their green as much as the white one. So yeah, that's it. Okay, now the next essential is something which I didn't even think, because I thought that L'Oreal would pass. But whenever I have done makeup with Insight Cushion Concealer, this really makes my skin look so blurry, poreless, smooth. I mean, I have again purchased the Toasted Coconut one, which is a little darker than my skin, but it really still does its job well. And again, I bought a contour. It is called Contour. I've purchased that also because it's a new one which I've seen. So I've purchased those because the main thing is inside products are actually good. I don't know why we don't make Insight be more hyped than Mars, but Insight products are far much better than their competitors. So you can totally check this out as well. This one really does. This is an amazing thing. Okay, so use it. Okay, you're hardly sleeping, you've got hollow eyes, you've got dark circles. Little bit of care you can completely do with this Cure Skin Eye Under Eye Gel. Every night I use this, and let me tell you, had a lot of stress, all sorts of stress. This one really makes me look normal. So I can guarantee that this really soothes your eyes, and when you wake up early in the morning, you at least don't look mad. Okay, so this is good. Okay, Cure Skin Biopeptide Under Eye Gel, you can try this. It gives you a little bit of tingling effect, so it's good because usually what do we do at night? We start scrolling our phones and all that, no? So when you use this, you will really feel a little sleepy, which is good. Okay, so totally go for this. Another one is an oil absorbing paper. This is a new one, so I'll show you exactly how it looks like. It looks like these strips you take out. If you want to mattify a glossy lipstick, you can totally do this with this. Your face is looking very oily, you can use this, you can dab it, and it's completely gone. So it's, I think it's much easier than those blurry compact which is coming nowadays, because I mean it's just a paper. You just put it and then you're done. This is a Zudio Candy Flush Creme. It's basically a cheek and lip tint. I have used this only as a base, and see, I have a little bit of pigmented lips, and it doesn't. Makes your lips look so natural, pinky, nice, fresh. So this is what makes my lips look like this. If you want to use it as a blush, also you can use it. But basically, this shade is very nice. So if you're interested, it is called Candy Flush. The shade name is only Candy Flush. Okay, now this one is really good. Another one which I really like is, this is Gugu Bear. Okay, Gugu Bear products I use a lot, and this one has become one of my favorite. This is the oh, now I've forgotten. I think icy gel lipstick or icy gloss lipstick. The thing is that it looks like this. I mean, it looks like as if it has a lot of pigment, but it doesn't have. It is like this. And this looks so much better than a lip balm when you're outside. It plumps your lips a little. It basically makes your lips look like this only. How it's looking right now. I mean, I've already applied a different kind of a gel, I mean gloss, but see, and it plumps your lips a little, which really makes it look very nice. So, Gugu Bear, this one is also very affordable, so you can totally purchase this. Now, the next one is, you've done a lot of makeup. Now you need to remove it. Let me tell you, you must have seen a lot of makeup look that I have done, right? Mascaras there, difficult eyeshadows, and you must be thinking, oh, how do I remove my makeup so well? And let me tell you, I'm very much strict about removing my makeup properly, because otherwise, you know what is gonna happen. My skin's gonna break out, and it's not gonna be cool. So for that, this Conscious Chemist, I'm so sorry, it's looking so dirty. I've been using this like crazy. This is the Conscious Chemist Daily Dissolve Ultra Light Oil Cleanser, and let me tell you, I have only this much, and I've ordered another one which is gonna come. It's not reached yet, but I'm so scared that if this gets over, I don't know how am I going to remove my makeup easily, because let me tell you, I've used micellar water as well, and whenever I have used micellar water with those cotton pads, it has always stripped my moisture, or it has always made my skin look feel very dry, feels like as if I stripped something from my face. It always used to feel like that. But this one, let me tell you, even if you have oily skin, combination dry, any skin, you just have to apply it on your face, rub it as much as you can. It just removes everything so easily. I take only not even 1 minute to remove everything from my face, because you know it's already about 10 o'clock at night and I have school on the next day, and you think that I'm going to take half an hour to remove my makeup. No, this is just going to take me 1 minute to just scrub it off and wash it off, and then a face wash and my skincare, and I'm done. So it's that easy. This makes it easy, but it takes a lot of time to get over. You know, this one I think took about a year to completely get over. Now, next, I think whenever I've spoken about hair, this has always been in the list. Matrix conditioner. Let me tell you, I had ditched Matrix conditioner um, for a month or more than a month, and I rushed back. And let me tell you, this time I purchased a bigger bottle, because bigger, whatever you can say, a tube, because I cannot live without this. I have totally understood that I've made the biggest mistake by breaking off with this conditioner. This is amazing. So if you are really planning to purchase a good conditioner, close your eyes and purchase this. It's good. I was having severe hair fall. I won't lie, it's still there, and that is the reason why you can see my hair is chopped off completely, because I don't want to see my hair, thinning. So I just had to cut my hair off. But this, I was so scared that I was losing a lot of my hair. I purchased this, and let me tell you, right now I am on my these. This is exactly how the vials look like. Okay, so there are 8 vials for 15 days because you can use it every alternate days. Okay, so my 4 vials are already done. It's empty. The more days pass by, you seem to use not the entire bottle, little bit will be always left. So what happens, the 8 vials becomes either 9 vials or 10 vials, so it's like that. But the thing is that, let me tell you, after applying, from 90% of my hair fall, I would say that 50% has already stopped because of this um, oil shots. So if you are having severe hair fall, or maybe hair fall has already occurred and you want your new hair to grow really fast, this is a rosemary oil shots by Brulair. Brulair has never ever, uh, I have never experienced bad from them, from this company. So I really, really have trust. So if you want to try, you can try this. It's really good. And after using this, I mean, I'm still using it. The treatment is still on. But while using this, I really wanted to try their rosemary shampoo as well, because the other shampoo got over. So I purchased the rosemary shampoo, and I think it's too early for me to give a review because I've used it 2 to 3 times. The only thing I can say, that since it contained caffeine, I was quite scared that maybe this will also dry my hair a lot. But no, this shampoo did not dry my hair at all. It's conditioning, it has no sulfate, and at the same time, it really, it was a good combination. The only thing I would say, that if you are not having severe hair fall, it's like seasonal hair fall, you can totally try this shampoo for once and see whether it's working well, because this shampoo will really condition your hair. It really makes your hair feel good. And once in between, I had stopped the oil shot and I had just shampooed my hair, and I found out that the hair fall was quite, it was not as crazy as it was happening before. So this is not bad at all. Goo Bears eyebrow tints, these are really nice. I have used it, and that is the reason why you see that my eyebrows are not looking as black, jet black, as my eye makeup or whatever eyeliner, because this really tints your eyebrow and doesn't make your eyebrows look like as if they are staring at you first than my eyes. Okay, so these, if you really want to do makeup, and let me tell you, you must be thinking that I'm sitting in front of the light and that is the reason why it looks better in front of lights. No, I have gone out using these, and it really looks nice in photographs, and also when you are talking to people, people won't think that you're something else. So there's a this one is brown, and the other one is, you can say that one is cool toned and one is warm toned, something like that. So these two are really good. Okay, and another one, this is expensive. Okay, now I had gone to purchase something, and you know what they do, they'll gotchaify something or the other. And this one was actually gotchaified. I mean, a salesperson forced me to purchase, and it was expensive. I didn't even know that it was that expensive. But when I used it, Revlon Color Stay, and that person kept on saying that don't sharpen it too much, otherwise, it tends to break. But this is Revlon Color Stay One Stroke Defining Eyeliner Kajal, and the shade name is totally turquoise, and this shade is so good. What I usually do, inner corner I put white, and outer corner I put black. I mean turquoise, and your eye makeup, I mean your whole makeup kind of pops. It looks good. I can show you the shade here. It's that pigmented and amazing. Okay, the shade is lovely. So if you're planning to purchase and you are okay to buying an expensive one, you can go for this, because I have seen that whenever I've applied this a little, I've not even sharpened it once. But this is, I think, 1 month old or more than that. And little bit of it I use, and people say that, "Hey, কোন কাজল লাগিয়েছিস?" বা কোন eyeliner লাগিয়েছিস? So it's that good. Okay, so you can totally try. If you wish to buy it. I think I'm done, and I hope you enjoyed this video, because I know it was a little bit haphazard, so many stuffs I've been sharing, and I've been speaking so fast. These things are my ultimate essentials. The rest I can still, use this or that, but these are essentials which I keep buying. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you enjoy my silly transition videos also. Thank you so much for watching, and if you've enjoyed, please do subscribe to my channel. I really want this channel to at least pass 200 subscribers as soon as possible. So I thank you so much. Bye bye.